What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Plankton Darryl from Brawl Stars, and I'll be showing you the best place to begin and then revealing the final color illustration. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the body. Let's start with a curve going across the top. So we'll start on the left side, we're going to go up in the middle and just bend that back down on the right side. Now from the ends we want to bend the body coming down and then tapering that in. So from the left, come down and then bend that in. Do the same thing on the right side, coming in towards the same height. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve coming down and then up. Let's add a thick trim going across the top of the body. So we step down and follow that same curve, going across and then down. And then we want to add that screen in the center of the body. So from this point on the left, step in, we're going to follow that curve, coming down and then in towards the bottom to right about there. And we'll do the same thing on the right, coming down and then in, and then we'll round out the bottom, coming down and then up. Now I want to trace this frame along the inside of the screen. So we'll start on the left, going up and across, then the sides, and then we'll curve the bottom. Now on each corner, we're going to draw a small circle for a rivet. Let's add that wave symbol inside the screen. So we start on the left, we're going to go up, come down, go up higher in the middle, come down, up, and then out. And I want to trace that along the bottom. So I want to add a thick wave going across. Let's add the legs across the bottom, leaving a large gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the inside leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Go to the right side, going out and then down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down and then up. Let's add a short curve going up and in across the top of the foot. Now I want to bend the leg going back up and then in towards the corner of the body. Let's add the edge of the boot from the top, and it's across and then down. Line that up on the right side. And then we're going to add a little seam across the inside of the leg, starting up here, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's add a couple rivets on the inside, one circle on the top and then the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. From the top corner of the body, we're going to draw a circle, going around, come down, and then in toward the side of the body. Let's go to the bottom of that circle, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, let's draw a large half circle for the thumb, going all the way around and out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to split the fingers into two parts. Let's start underneath the thumb. We're going to come down, bend that out and up around that bracket. Now the second finger, we're going to start out here, going out, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the shoulder. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting underneath the thumb, start with that first finger going around and up. And then from the side, add the second finger, and then bend that up towards the side of the shoulder. From the top of the thumb, we'll step up, add a seam, going up and then down, step up and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Add the seam, and then the top of the glove. Let's add those metal fins across the top of the shoulder. Let's start on the left side, angle this up and then out. Let's go up and out with a short line, and then come down and out with a short line. Now I'm going to draw an angled line going all the way up and then out towards the end of that fin. Let's flatten this off with a short line coming down and out. Come straight down. Now we're going to draw a short angled line coming in towards the shoulder. Now I want to follow the same line we have across the top along the bottom in towards the shoulder. Let's go back to that outside point. We're going to draw a seam coming down and then in. Now with the body in place, let's move to the center and draw Plankton's eyebrow. We're going to start over on the left side, angle this down and in. And I want to round out the bottom, go up and then out towards the same height. Now there's 2 points on the edge of the eyebrow. So come straight in with a short line, go up and then out towards the top. And I want to follow that same curve across the top, coming down, round out the middle, and go up and out. Let's fill that eyebrow in black. Now that we have the eyebrow in place, we're going to layer the eye in underneath. Let's start over on the left side, right about here. Draw a large circle going all the way around and then underneath. Let's draw the eyelid, starting back on the top left, bend it down, and then up. And then in the center, we're going to tuck the pupil in underneath with an oval, coming all the way around and then back up. Now on either side of the eye, we're going to draw 2 curves of the hand, starting on the left, going up and then down, line it up on the right side. Now the joystick is going to go on top of the hand, so we're going to draw a small circle tucked in behind across the top. Let's draw the side of the head. On top of the joystick, we're going to go straight up, and then we want to round up the head, going up in behind the eyebrow, across the top, and then back down on the right. Now let's draw those 2 large antennas across the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. Start with a straight angle line going up and out. Just going to line this up on the right. Now there's those points that go across. They'll come in, round at the end, and then go back out. I want to make sure that we line this up with that bottom line. Let's continue that line going up and out with a short line. Now there's 2 more of these little sections that go up. Going down. Continue that line again and add 1 more, going all the way in and out. Now I want to take those same 3 points and flip it over across the bottom. So let's start on top of the eyebrow. I'm just going to angle this up and out. Just going to draw it on the outside, just lining these up and leaving an even space gap along the inside center. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and then lining up each of those points, going up towards the top. Let's close off the tip. We're going to bend this up towards the center point and then back down towards the inside. Now in between these 2 points, we're going to draw a straight line going across, go back to the left side, curve this up and then down. On the side of that curve, we're going to angle this up and out toward the top, close off the top with another curve. Now we're going to go down to the bottom. Just going to curve this around and then in towards the side of Plankton's head. And finally, we're going to add those curved bars going across the side. So let's start on the left side, bend this out, and then come down towards the top corner of the body. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then bending that down. And we want to trace those bars along the inside. So let's start with the left. Let's sign our art and then add in our colors. And there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of Plankton Darryl from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters like this one over here. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.